we are going to start learning the time. How to tell time. Okay? When you ask, what time is it? Is it? Is, once again, ¿qué hora es? That is, what time is it? Now, another thing that you ask with time is at what time, right? At what time? When you ask the question is ¿a qué hora? Okay? So here you have a clock. Not quite round, but it's gonna do. Here you have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so when you answer, ¿qué hora es? We are gonna be working with ¿qué hora es right now, okay? When you answer this question, you're gonna start with, so you have the question, ¿qué hora es? When you answer this question, you're gonna say son las, then the hour, like 3, 4, 5, or whatever time it is, y, and this means and then your minutes. Okay? So I'm gonna write E here, because right here is gonna be menos, and we are gonna see this in a little bit, okay? So let's say it's 3:10, okay? And I ask, ¿qué hora es? When you answer that question, you will say, son las, what is the hour? And how do we say that in Spanish? Tres y, right? What are the minutes? Y 10. Okay? Let's pretend it's 5:25. You will write what? Son las 5 y what? Son las 5:25. See how that works, guys? Yeah? Now there's an exception, and the exception is for 1. When you tell time with 1, instead of son las, you're always going to say es la 1 y, and then your minutes. So if you have a time such as 1:10, in this case, instead of saying son las, because it's 1, you will say es la 1, and how many minutes? Y 10. Okay? Yeah? So far, so good, guys? Yes, you get it? Now, what if it was 3:40? What if it was 3:40? Son las 3 and how many minutes? Uh-huh. How you say 40? Y 40. What if it was 5:50? How would you say 5:50? Son las 5:50. See how that works? Yeah? Okay. All right. Let me make another clock. So we've been doing, you here I have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, when is o'clock for o'clock? We say en punto. Okay, so if it's 12 o'clock, we will say son las what? Son las what? No, your time. Son las 12 en punto. How about 1 o'clock? How would you say 1 o'clock? No, it's 1. Es la una en punto. How about 6 o'clock? How would you say that? Very good. Son las 6 en punto. Okay? Yeah? Any questions so far? Questions? No? Okay, right here, when it's on 15, some people, like if you, I'm gonna put here what we say, cuarto. Look at this time, 3:15. We can say son las what? Son las what? Son las 3 y how many minutes? How many minutes? Guys, how do you say 15? Son las 3:15. But also you can say son las 3:15. Okay? Son las 3:15 or son las 3:15. Are you guys with me? Yes? Okay. 30. Half past. Look at this. 5:30. We can say what? How would you say 5:30? Son las, what, how you would say 5? Son las 5:30. Or, right here, you can put media. or also son las 5:30. You guys okay with this? Do you get it? Any questions? If you have questions, you better ask. Nope. So far, so good, guys? Yep. Okay. Can I go to the next one, please? What if it was 1:30? How would you say that? No, es la 1:30, or what? Es la 1:30. Okay? Guys? Alright. Let me do another clock here. This one I'm going to make it smaller. So on this side, we say E for N, an hour that has minutes. On this one, menos. Okay, and I'm going to explain how we do that. If you have a time such as 6:40, in English we can say it is 6:40 in the afternoon or in the morning, but we also can say it's 20 minutes till 7, right? Okay, so that's how we are going to learn how to say it. It's 20 minutes or 15 minutes or 28 minutes or 10 minutes till. Okay, so let's look at this. If you have to say that time in Spanish, we have to learn to say how. How would you say 6:40 in Spanish? Son las 6. Son las 6:40. How would you say 40? Y 40. But also, it's 20 minutes till 7, right? Right? Okay. So the other way that you could say, son las 7 menos, how many minutes till 7? How many minutes till 7, guys? 20. So it will be menos 20. See how that works, guys? Yes? 1:50. If you have to say that time, you will say what? The way that we have learned already. It will be what? Anyone? Es la 1. How you say 50? 50. Es la 1:50, but it is also 10 minutes till 2, right? So we will say son what? No, dos. How many minus how many minutes? Menos 10. Okay? Son las 2 menos 10. Let's do another one. 3:45. Let's do it both ways. We can say what? Guys,